Hi, we're gonna go over defense mechanisms task. Um, these mechanisms help with one high level of anxiety and overwhelming emotional situations. These occur unconsciously. They can be learned about and recognized so as to understand how they occur and how they impact our lives. Continuing to avoid reality and live with distorted truth becomes a problem, and the original issues need to be handled, or else crises can arise, such as illness, etc. There are different types of defense behaviors. 1. Denial. This is when one doesn't wish to acknowledge or accept reality because it may be too painful, such as denying a problem. 2. Acting out. Showing emotions through extreme behaviors instead of expressing thoughts, feelings through verbal communication. This occurs when one doesn't trust that they will be heard. Hence, they resort to expressing their emotional pain physically. Often in this scenario, con- consequences of the actions are not accounted for or may not be weighed in advance. 3. Rationalization. Justifying and making excuses for one's actions, not being honest about their actual intended motivation, possibly due to fear or intimidation. This is a way of explaining one's behavior and perceptions. However, these may not be justified or thoroughly thought out or even make sense, though they may be an easy way to avoid having to explain the real explanation behind certain behaviors. 4. Displacement, redirecting of pent-up feelings meant for one person or situation onto another person or situation. One must be careful, for the second may not be actually at fault or responsible for the motivation to get angry, therefore creating an awkward situation and unjustly blaming the wrong person, etc. Sometimes this may occur if there are too many things going on in one's life, or there's not enough time to address the correct person with the problem.